So this is the plastic part that goes over the airbox, I'm pretty sure. And some diddly dog wallop painted it with white paint. I don't know why, but they did. And I'm gonna get rid of it because it looks like poo. So I'm gonna try. Yes, it's come out orange or yellow. I'm not using paint stripper because it'll ruin the plastic, and I'm not buying a new one because why, I have one here, I don't need to. But I'm just using a scourer and getting it off slowly. I've been here for probably 30 minutes to an hour. And it's coming off. Well, I did the best job I could. It is totally clean underneath and stuff's just in there. I really couldn't get to, but I'll get in there some other way later on. But that's really best I could do with a scourer. So I have removed wheel bearings from both wheels and removed what was left of the swing arm bearings, which, yes, that is chain wear that's gone through and out into the actual bearing seat area. That's how bad that was because it didn't have a chain guide on it for who knows how long. And engine-y, I need to take all bearings out of engine cases in there and things like that, and seals. Got we punched out the center shaft for this needle rollers bearing thing in here. There's that. So, the rear shock. This bottom mount is original, I'm pretty sure, but it looks fine. I might replace it. This top, we had a bit of a weird, confusing situation. You see, this is what was in there. There's meant to be a ball joint in there, like in that. But there wasn't. Someone machined this little brass or bronze bushing and shoved it in there and then put some, I don't know, aftermarket seals in there and called it good. As you can see, it was not good. It's cockeyed and it's not meant to be a bushing, it's meant to have a ball in there. So I'm ordering a kit to put in that. Yeah, it should be fine. The rear shock should be good after that. So one part I was not able to get on the internet was the mudguard for this Unitrack. And what do you know? The website Onshape that I use sometimes for my projects I like to work on had one part only for this specific bike, and it was the mudguard. This is a 3D printed Unitrack linkage mudguard. I don't know how well it's going to hold up, but it's mint. It came out great. And thanks to my teacher at school with his 3D printer, he printed that for me. So thank you, Mr. Owens. New swing arm has arrived. Is good. Has minimal wear there. Has sliders put on, and he's put the bearings in and greased them. So she's mint. Tank sanding time. Got it in a tub of water. I'm about that much full. I'm starting off with, we got 400, 600, 800 and 120. Or 1200, I should say. And that's what I'm going to start with. I'll start with that and go up.
Lady, heal me tonight, 'cause my feeling is just so right as we dance.
So, this is it after the combination of 400, 600, 800 and 1200. It now reflects. It's still very dull though, but it is very smooth. Water will not stick to it, and it slightly reflects, meaning you're at the point where you can actually polish it now. So we are going to polish this, and I will do a recording of that too. engine. She is mint. Everything is together. And now I'm gonna tape all the things that need to be taped when I clean and degrease it. And we're gonna paint it.
Can't tell by the look in your eyes. Lady, hear me tonight, 'cause my feeling is just so